Somehow try to fix this hair situation because it ain't cute. Is this better? Oh my god, no it's not. Hello there. What is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hot minute since I have posted a video. I think it's been like a month or more than a month. I don't know, it's been a while. Before jumping into like creating videos for you guys again, I just want to like come up here and like talk to you guys about where the fuck I've been, because it seems like I've been taking these little like sporadic YouTube breaks quite often. How do I explain it? It's kind of like I just need a break for my brain to not think about YouTube all the time. So just because I need the sanity for myself. I just want to live life sometimes and just enjoy my moments with the people around me. And I feel like now these days it's so hard to do that because all you're thinking about is like, oh, I gotta snap this, I gotta put this on Instagram, I gotta like vlog this, I gotta put this, I gotta take a picture. It gets like annoying and repetitive, and just it gets old to the point where you just want to like live your life. So one of the reasons that I've been gone for not so long but for a little bit is because I took some time to focus 100% on my merch. Well, hello there. Yeah, I've been working on my merch, and this is my infamous, well, hello there sweatshirt. It's my favorite one. I wear it like all the time to go out, take Instagram photos in. Like I literally love this one. I have it in black and white. There's some other hoodies in there. The Yanster hoodie, if you guys want to rep the Yanster squad, you know, that's like our thing. If you guys are interested in just like supporting my channel, helping me just create more content, just, you know, and just represent the squad, because these are gonna look hot caliente on you, okay? If you look right under my video, there's gonna be a merch shelf like right under my video. You can just click there and it'll take you to my merch site. And I'm gonna give you guys a special little treat because I love you guys so much. If you guys use the code YANSTER10, you're gonna get 10% off your order. And one thing I should mention is $1 from every single item that I sell is gonna go to charity. I really wanna donate to a dog shelter or like an animal shelter just because I love the doggies. Pick one up for yourself, for your mom, your sister, your cousin, for a friend. I don't know. If you're buying a sweatshirt or a hoodie or a t-shirt or a mug, it is going to be going to a good cause. So thank you so much. Good, muchísimas gracias if you're helping out. A few weeks ago, I did a really strict and hardcore cleanse for 10 days, and I was drinking like a lot of lemon water in the morning because I couldn't have coffee. Which, by the way, video coming soon on that. I promise, I promise, I promise. Ever since then, like, I don't drink coffee in the mornings anymore. Like, I drink lemon water, and it's cray how much I actually crave lemon water in the morning, like hot lemon water, and I don't want coffee. I'm okay with it because I feel great. I was in Washington and Baltimore last weekend, and that was so much fun because it was kind of like a little short road trip for me. It's so funny, like I'm taking pictures and all I hear is the freaking duck laughing at me like quack, 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 quack. Oh, it's so funny. But I guess to the point of this video, guys, I have a really big announcement. I'm gonna be a mom! Let me clarify. I'm gonna be a dog mom. Oh my goodness, even better. I can't even talk. I think about her and like my heart melts. I'm not gonna reveal like her face or her name yet because I don't have her with me yet, but I am gonna be fostering a cute little puppy, and it's fostering to adopt because obviously I want to make sure that the dog likes me. Like, I'm gonna love the dog regardless. Like, I'm gonna love her so much, but it's just a matter if she likes me. You know, dogs choose their humans. Humans don't choose their dogs. That's what I think. So today my mission is to puppy proof this apartment. That includes a lot of decluttering. My apartment looks so well put together, like on this corner. Let me show you the other corner. Oh, hell to the no. What the fuck is that? Ugh, and you haven't even seen my living room. Like, it's just a hot mess. Work on my closet because I really want to cut up the space to put the puppy here so she can sleep with me. One thing that I noticed in the past when I would declutter, I would put like videos in the background to like entertain me in a way, and I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna play some chill, cool, fun music that's gonna keep me going so that I can declutter quickly, and I can declutter thinking about what I'm decluttering versus just kind of going through the motions. just to get rid of stuff, but so far I only have one big IKEA bag. But I think the important part of decluttering is to make sure that you're not just getting rid of things just to get rid of them, that you're getting rid of things that no longer bring you joy and that you know that you're never going to use again. I find myself kind of like breaking a mental questioning cycle of like, do I need this? No, I think I'm gonna wear this like next week and da-da-da-da-da. One eternity later. Okay, the sun is gone, but we're officially making some progress. I have this bag that I'm giving away. I put away my summer clothes and I emptied out all of the stuff that was in here that I forgot to show you guys. But I think I am doing good, even though I know that I'm not giving away that much stuff. I am working on it, so I'm sifting through all these and kind of thinking through them. So hopefully in the next hour or so, these will be gone. So it's like 2 days later. I forgot to keep vlogging that night because you know how I said to you, like when you're cleaning, don't get distracted by watching shows. I might have put on Grey's Anatomy and I might have just watched the entire season 15 in like a day and a half. No big deal. Like, by the way, besides Grey's Anatomy, I have been so obsessed with New Amsterdam. Oh my god, that show, it's amazing. And obviously This Is Us. Those are my like top 3 shows at the moment. I have 1 more week to prepare for the puppy to come. That sounds so weird. So looking forward to, oh my god, bringing my little peanut home. I still haven't named her. She has a name already, but I think I'm gonna rename her because I don't really love the name they gave her. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram because I want to do like an Instagram poll of like what I should name her. So go make sure you guys follow me there so you guys can vote for her. I'm so nervous, guys. Like I haven't had a pup or a dog in so long. I think the last time I had a dog was when I was like 11, I think. I'm just so excited. I'm nervous as fuck. Like I am so fucking nervous. Like this is another life that I'm taking care of and this dog is gonna depend on me. But I just know that I'm gonna love her so much. She's gonna love me, hopefully, and I hope that we just get along and that things work out between us, you know? Like I hope we can have a good relationship, mother and daughter relationship. Anyways, don't forget to go check out Ms. YANYI merch, my Yansters. Well, you know, this is my white well hello there sweatshirt. So the size that I'm wearing is actually a size small, and I like it because it's kind of fitted but it's still a little baggy. It's not like overly baggy. It fits perfectly. And I'm wearing sweatpants because I'm being really lazy. That is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys so much. I'm so sorry I've been so MIA. I suck, I know, I literally suck. But I don't know what else to tell you guys, but that I love you so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.